Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Hey there, mud-loving enthusiasts. Are you ready to take your Bronco Sasquatch to the next level? Well, you're in for a treat because today, I'm going to reveal the world's top 5 best mud flaps specifically tailored for your beast of a vehicle. Whether you're tackling rugged terrain or cruising through the urban jungle, these mud flaps have got you covered. So, let's dive in and upgrade your off-road experience. Check the link in the description below. Number 1. MBI Mud Flaps for Ford Bronco Accessories 2021 to 2024, the ideal solution for Bronco owners seeking durable, hassle-free protection against mud, snow, and debris. Specifically designed to fit all Bronco models, including those equipped with the coveted Sasquatch package, these custom-molded mud flaps boast a seamless installation process that requires no drilling or adjustments, ensuring your vehicle remains pristine. Crafted from impact-resistant thermoplastic material, these mud flaps are built to withstand all weather conditions, while upgraded stainless steel screws and bolts prevent rusting for long-lasting performance. With superior practicality, they safeguard your Bronco's tires from unwanted grime without compromising its rugged aesthetic. Plus, our commitment to customer satisfaction means any issues, from breakage to rust, are promptly addressed. Elevate your Bronco's style and protection with MBI Mud Flaps, because your adventure deserves the best. Number 2. IAI Line No Drill Mud Flap Splash Guards, the ultimate armor for your Ford Bronco 2021 Plus. Specifically crafted for optimal fitment and easy installation, these 4-piece mud flaps safeguard your truck's paint from mud, snow, and debris without the hassle of drilling or cutting. Engineered to seamlessly mount using existing OEM holes, they offer a snug fit even on Bronco models equipped with Sasquatch package, clearing stock offset wheels effortlessly. Crafted from premium ABS plastic, these mud flaps boast durability against scratches and cracks, ensuring long-lasting protection for your Bronco. Plus, they integrate flawlessly with OEM rock rails and side steps. Equip your Bronco with the best mud flaps for Bronco Sasquatch, courtesy of IAG's quality and reliability. Don't compromise, shield your ride with IAI Line Mud Flaps for a worry-free off-road adventure. Number 3. A-Premium's 4PCS Mud Flaps Splash Guards designed for the Ford Bronco 2024 to 2021, including Raptor, Everglades, Base, Big Bend, and Outer Banks models. Specifically engineered to fit 4- and 2-door variations, these heavy-duty matte black guards require no drilling, thanks to their direct-fit pre-drilled installation. Crafted from premium ABS plastic, they boast superior sturdiness, flexibility, and corrosion resistance, ensuring durability in all conditions. Shielding your vehicle from snow, mud, gravel, and more, these guards reduce maintenance while safeguarding against premature rusting. Engineered to OEM standards, they seamlessly integrate with your Bronco, offering peace of mind on every adventure. Backed by A-Premium's 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee, these splash guards are your ultimate companion for tackling any terrain. Make every drive worry-free with A-Premium. Number 4. BGRO Mud Flaps Splash Guards, the ultimate accessory for your Ford Bronco 2021 to 2024, including 2/4 door models and the sought-after Sasquatch edition. Engineered for a precise fit without any drilling required, these mud flaps offer easy installation with included hardware and instructions. Crafted from premium ABS material, they provide superior protection against dirt, rocks, and debris, ensuring your Bronco stays pristine amidst rugged adventures and harsh weather conditions. With a sleek, low-profile design, these splash guards not only shield your vehicle but also enhance its Bronco-style aesthetic. Plus, with our dedicated after-sales service, you can rest assured knowing assistance is just a message away. Elevate your off-road experience with BGRO Mud Flaps Splash Guards, the best mud flaps for Bronco Sasquatch enthusiasts. Number 5. WeatherTech Custom No Drill Splash Guard Mud Flaps for Ford Bronco Sport, the ultimate solution for off-road enthusiasts seeking unparalleled protection. Crafted with precision in the USA, these mud flaps are tailored to fit select 2021 to 2024 Ford Bronco Sport models, ensuring a seamless integration with your vehicle's design. The front and rear set, coated in sleek black, provides comprehensive coverage against mud, rocks, and debris. What sets these mud flaps apart is their hassle-free installation. Thanks to laser measurements, they mount effortlessly in minutes, without the need for wheel or tire removal, and importantly, without drilling into your vehicle's delicate surface. Engineered from a specialized thermoplastic resin, they are contoured precisely for the Bronco, delivering unparalleled protection on every adventure. For the best mud flaps for Bronco Sasquatch, look no further than WeatherTech. In conclusion, choosing the best mud flaps for your Bronco Sasquatch can greatly enhance both style and functionality. Whether you prioritize durability, customization, or both, there's a perfect set out there for you. From rugged off-road adventures to everyday driving, investing in quality mud flaps ensures protection and preserves your vehicle's pristine condition. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share this video for more updates on essential accessories for your Bronco Sasquatch.